So this nut here is easy enough to get with a ring spanner, and I was having trouble with this one up here. What I could do, I could get the ring spanner on there and I could undo it slightly until the it's touching on the exhaust pipe there, and I couldn't move it up any far enough to get on. But if you turn the spanner that way, you can just get it on there and just turn just that little tiny bit. See how much that moves? And that enables you to get it back on again for another turn. So you can actually remove these two with a normal regular 10mm spanner. Now with the other video, to get to that one over the back there, you had to go through this whole rigmarole of taking the other side off, taking the heat shields off, and taking out the O2 sensor, the lambda sensor, and you had to have a special tool for that. You had to go to like I've been searching the internet to find out what size socket. Couldn't find it, saved my life. But I had a spare 10mm spanner, and we've all got spare 10mm spanners. Got the oxyacetylene out, or a blowtorch, heated this up red hot, and I made this. Now this fits on that, it can go on that back socket, and because of the, well, you're just going to have to take my word for it, it goes on there, and it's able to, because of that bend, I'm able to undo it, go up and do another, all the way. So the other video that showed taking the O2 sensors off and all the rest of it, it's not necessary. I've got it off, and yeah, like the other video said about these screws here, I got this one off here using a battery powered rattle gun, no problem. I couldn't really get access to this one over here. Where's my camera? There it is there. I couldn't get access to that one very accurately. I tried to poke a, see, I've lined it up there through that, tried to line it up through here, but I ended up rounding off the hex. So I couldn't get it off anyway, so there's no way I could access the nut on this side, taking all this stuff off. This stuff, there's no way. But I didn't have to, as I said on the other side, just make that angled 10mm spanner. And we've all got heaps of spent 10mm stuff, haven't we? So all I need is that and that. Now one problem I had that no one mentioned was, one of the first things I tried to take off was this bloody thing. And it just, I undid it about 2 turns and then it was a bit tight, so I gave it a little bit more and just sheared right off. But by the looks of the Termi instructions, it looks like it's not going to even use a clamp. It's held together by springs. So I might not even have to go up to the auto parts dealer. I might be able to get away with it.